Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers in Yeeps Easy Guide. Preheat your Yeeps grill to medium-high and shape patties about 3-5 inches wide for even cooking. Season both sides with salt and pepper and avoid overworking the meat to keep burgers tender. Keep buns, cheese, and toppings within reach so assembly is fast. I'll guide you through timing, flipping, and finishing touches to make juicy, crowd-pleasing burgers. Form patties gently so they stay juicy and cook evenly on your Yeeps grill. Divide your meat into 4 equal portions and loosely shape each into a patty about 3-5 inches across. Press a shallow thumb dent in the center of each patty to reduce doming during grilling. Season just before cooking and resist the urge to press down while they cook. This helps retain juices and gives a better sear and texture. Place patties on the preheated Yeeps grill and let them cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a reliable medium result. Flip only once to build a good crust and keep juices inside. If you want cheese, add a slice in the last minute and close the lid to melt it evenly. Let cooked patties rest briefly before assembling to lock in flavor and moisture for the best burger experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.